Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss on important current affairs for 29 July. If the content is helpful, please share, like, comment and subscribe. First one. When is World Hepatitis Day observed? Answer is 28th July. World Hepatitis Day is observed on 28th July every year. This day is celebrated to create awareness of viral hepatitis and inflammation of the liver that causes a range of health problems including liver cancer. The theme for 2020 World Hepatitis Day is Hepatitis Free Future. I repeat again, it is Hepatitis Free Future. 28th July is observed as World Hepatitis Day because it is the birth anniversary of Nobel Prize winner and scientist Dr. Baruch Bloomberg, who discovered the hepatitis B virus and developed a vaccine for the virus. Who celebrates this? World Health Organization. When was the World Health Organization formed? It was in 1948. Its headquarters is in Geneva, Switzerland. Next one. India handed over 10 diesel locomotives to which country to strengthen its rail infrastructure? Answer is Bangladesh. India handed over 10 broad gauge diesel locomotives to Bangladesh to strengthen its railway infrastructure. External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar flagged off the locomotives online in the presence of Railway Minister. Who is our Railway Minister? Piyush Goyal. And also remember, previously both the countries took step for maritime connectivity through the first shipment of container cargo from Kolkata to Agartala, which was sent through Chattogram port of Bangladesh. What is the capital of Bangladesh? Dhaka. Its currency is Bangladeshi Taka and its current prime minister is Sheikh Hasina. Next one. Which country is the biggest supplier of tiger body parts in the world as per UN World Wildlife Crime Report? Answer is India and Thailand. India and Thailand are the biggest suppliers of tiger body parts as per UN World Wildlife Crime Report, which was released recently. The report said that India and Thailand are the main source countries. As per the report, both the countries accounted to 82% of the total tiger parts seized in the world in the same period. Recently, in one of our video, we discussed about the only golden tiger spotted in India. Where was it spotted? It was in Kaziranga National Park. Next one. India will set up its own cotton warehouse in which country to boost exports? Correct answer is Vietnam. India will set up its own cotton warehouse in Vietnam. This is an initiative taken by Cotton Corporation of India to boost the exports of cotton. By this, India can store and maintain the stock of the exported cotton in the warehouse till it is handed over to the buyers. Cotton Corporation of India is also planning to export the cotton to Bangladesh as well. Cotton Corporation of India was founded in 1970, which is engaged in activities related to trade, procurement, and export of cotton. Its headquarters is in Mumbai. And about Vietnam, Vietnam is located in Southeast Asia. Its capital is Hanoi and its currency is Vietnamese dong. Next one. What is the name of the weather forecast app launched by the government recently? Answer is Mausam. The name of the app launched by the government for weather forecast is Mausam. This app was launched by Dr. Harshvardhan. Who is Dr. Harshvardhan? He is Union Minister for Health and Family Welfare. This app provides the weather forecast and the current weather of around 200 cities in India. It provides data which includes temperature, humidity, wind speed, etc. This app have an option by which it will warn people about the bad weather by changing the color. This app was designed by ICRISAT, which means International Crops Research Institute for the Semi-Arid Tropics, Indian Institute of Tropical Meteorology, and the Indian Meteorological Department. Next one. Hikem Mechichi became the new Prime Minister of which country recently? Answer is Tunisia. Hikem Mechichi became the new Prime Minister of Tunisia. Currently, Mechichi was serving as the Interior Minister. He was appointed as the Prime Minister by Tunisia's President Kais Saied, as the previous Prime Minister had resigned due to allegations of conflict of interest. Mechichi served as Chief of Staff of Ministry of Transport and also served in the Ministry of Social Affairs in the past. Next one. John Saxon passed away recently. What was his profession? Correct answer is actor. John Saxon was an American actor. Saxon starred in nearly 200 movies and TV shows. He starred opposite Bruce Lee in the classic film Enter the Dragon. He also starred in detective and horror shows like A Nightmare on Elm Street, and also he won the Golden Globe Award for New Star of the Year in 1958 for his role in the film This Happy Feeling. Next one. Who is the author of the book The India Way Strategies for an Uncertain World? Answer is Dr. S. Jaishankar. Dr. S. Jaishankar is the author of the book The India Way Strategies for an Uncertain World. Dr. S. Jaishankar is currently serving as Minister of External Affairs. The book highlights three major burdens on India that carried from the past. One is 1947 partition, second one is late economic reforms, and third is prolonged exercise of nuclear option. This book is published by HarperCollins India Publications. Next one. Olivia de Havilland passed away recently. What was her profession? Answer is actress. Olivia de Havilland was an actress, and remember, she is a two-time Oscar winner. In 1946, she won an Oscar award for the movie To Each His Own under the category Best Supporting Actress, and in 1949, she won the second Oscar award for the movie The Heiress, and also she was awarded with National Medal of Arts and France Legion of Honor. Olivia was born in Tokyo, Japan. Next one. When is World Nature Conservation Day observed? Answer is 28th July. World Nature Conservation Day is observed on 28th July every year. This day is observed to raise awareness to protect our natural resources, water, air, soil, and trees. This day recognizes that a healthy environment is a foundation for a stable and productive society, by which we can maintain a balanced ecosystem. This can be done by conservation of nature and wise management of the available resources. These are the important current affairs for 29th July. If the content is helpful, please share, like, comment, and subscribe.